Hi guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to install Python modules using pip. This is going to work for you if you have a Windows 10 computer. If you have a Mac or a Chromebook, please look at the other links in the notebook to help you with that. But all we have to do is go down to the search bar in Windows 10, type CMD, that stands for command, press enter, and you're going to get a command prompt. Now on my computer, my default path is the H drive. I have to change it to the C drive. You guys probably don't have to change anything here. It probably will default to the C drive. Anyway, to install a module, all you have to do is type pip, P-I-P, the word install, and then the name of whatever module you want to install. I'm going to start with exifread, which is just a small little module that's used to read the metadata in a JPEG image. So you could read who took the picture, or what kind of camera was used, what the resolution of the picture is. Next, I am going to type pip install gmaps. This is a Python module for using the Google Maps API. You just saw a lot of stuff show up on the screen, but you know things worked because at the end it said successfully installed gmaps. And finally, I'm going to do pip install TextBlob. TextBlob is a natural language processing module that we're going to use for sentiment analysis. Alright, so I have now installed all three modules. You can head back into the Python notebook, the IPython notebook, and you can test out a few code cells, make sure everything is working as expected, and if so, you are ready for e-learning starting March 30th, at least on the technology side of things. You are ready to go. Thank you.